Jason here playing with Eater. And then let's see, here's Patrick.
If you weren't filming volleyball, that would sound so gross.
And then apparently the kid with the fastest reflexes ever. Oh, little Danny in the background. Lauren, his name is Lauren. And then we have Steve over here in the corner. The only one who's young
enough for Tracy to hook up with.
Oh, be quiet, Trey. And yeah, Eater on the floor. That's pretty funny. He'll be there a lot tonight. And there's Ren over there with the reffing whistle. Just took a camera look, and there's Jason, and I think I'm done playing around. A little team talking from one Jason.
Let's get the long review.
That's the game whistle.
Sick 'em on three. Yo, I'm done. That's like the funniest shit ever. I'll take care of it. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, they're gonna win.
Brooklyn Civil War right here, ladies and gentlemen. Brooklyn Civil War. No. We are. Daddy, come in for Kenny now. You guys are using this stuff. Yeah. I'm talking to 25. Okay. Go.
Yeah, Patrick's really excited.
That's a nice defense from Eater over there. I'm 5 though.
Kenny's warming the bench.
His ass is doing it. Oh, through the legs. Look at that. You get 2 points for that.
Hey boys, you got down center. Line back three.
I'm supposed to jump out here. But they're gonna try. Jason sticking his ass out for the camera. Check out my fine little booty. Jump it. Oh, jump float. I'm gonna hit that. He does it too. So they both do it. That was the worst serve in the world. Oh, that's a nice kick. You're in. Kenny's like, what? Yo, you might need to call a sub next time. They cheer, by the way. They cheer more than our girls' college team. No, they do. It's cheer. Mix it off. That's a nice save. Oh, Eater. We got that on camera.
Stack up.
There's a wall over there.
That'd be a wall.
Penis.
Thanks for the spit all over my face.
Let's play that game. Every time they get like a shutdown breath, look at the ball go.
Yeah.
Seriously. We'll do that. That'll be fun.
Okay.
Center's live. Break 14. Go.
Penis.
Penis.
That doesn't count. That was me. Love it.
Good.
Kenny, need to close that block, dude. What's the score? Are you keeping score?
I'm not keeping score. Jason can tell us when he watches the movie.
And got away with it. Score check. Ow.
Trish has alien
Don't miss.
feet.
I do have alien feet.
Shut up.
That was a horrible set. Nice ball.
Guess I should go this
Serve the
way.
Asian one. I was like, serve the Asian one. He picks out the only mic on court. Sweaty ball head.
Penis!
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does. No, I thought we were playing the penis game.
Only on
can't just yell
on
penis.
a shutdown ball.
Fine. Now we have the argument.
Poser, look at him posing. Who's arguing?
Ren the ref.
Oh, no, they're kind of confused with voice searching. A nice pass. Oh, nice cut, Lauren. No, that guy sucks. Oh, that doesn't count.
Clap it up, clap it up.
Are you ready for this?
Oh, nice set. Patrick touched the net. Look a little Nemo in the net.
What?
Patrick touched the net.
Hey, if I turn the camera upside down, does the picture go upside down?
Huh? Yeah, that's bad. You don't want to do that. It looks bad on TV screen. Nice tool.
He stays with Steve. Catch him.
Nice. Oh.
Over. Deep. No, okay. Got 2 minutes.
That was a good play. I want to catch somebody picking their nose or something.
Lauren went close in.
It's call on Team Patrick. Short. Good short.
I don't know what they say yet. I'm still working on that. They say ace at the end. You blew it! Way to ace them and then serve into the net. Way to ace it and then serve it in the net. What do you say?
Blue Abati something.
I'm like, English, please. Fine. Okay. That's a nice idea.
Yes.
Oh, shit! Way to see the ball in the hole. That's a fucking nice save.
You got middle back, Lauren. Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
I think they say clap with your hands, eh?
No.
That's what it sounds
They
like.
wouldn't say that. I hope not.
Clap with your hands, eh?
and dump it. Dump it. Oh no.
Please, your bag over here. Sounds like your cell phone ring.
Did I set an alarm for something? Ooh. You set like a girl.
Ass image.
Lauren! He just like hits over people. On top of that, he's got a fucking short
2 ass teams now.
On who?
On Jason and Lauren.
Yeah, Lauren's supposed to last out a while, huh?
I'm waiting for a couple more. I want to get them
Oh,
all.
that was a horrible shot.
Oh,
Way to save your name. Oh, Danny. Dude, where's Justin? Who's supposed to play? That one was mine. No? Oh, that was a nice conceal. I think that's the first actual decent ball I've seen. You wasted the good stuff. Oh, get up. There's no one there.
oh. That was pretty nice.
No, he needs to sit out there all day because there's a tiny ass blocker. Keep pushing him out there. There's no block. There's a short blocker. Oh.
That sucked.
I love the face that came with that too. He's like,
Got a nice little round ass though. It's okay.
yeah, I know.
Either could be bad because he's good looking.
I won't say anything. I know you know what I'm thinking. If you look, penis. That was a penis, and you missed it.
Damn it! I don't understand when it's supposed to say penis.
When they block the ball and it goes straight down, and you gotta point at it. Not like that.
Over the net, they get a point.
Yeah, generally you gotta point if it goes over the net.
Okay. Got it.
That's a nice. He's a fucking freak, isn't he?
Oh,
Shit, maybe we shouldn't have come out.
it's stressing.
Huh?
Stressing because the girlfriend's here.
Line! Oh, yeah. Nice draw.
Getting rocked.
Dude, that was amazing. He just called 2 blockers in. The score's up there. We should have sat on the other side. We can't see.
Trish Morris, master volleyballer. Trish, smile.
Oh, hi. I was like, what?
Game 2. Harder to catch.
Penis! It's not really shut down. It's still penis. I want a volleyball set like that. Like, even better. Just to make it look like I went there. Jason does that every time he's
I want to get a nice zoom up shot of them like spiking.
Go back.
Did you just set that? He did. Oh yeah? Good excuse. Oh, nice serve.
Get back. Can't catch that.
Inside time.
Get back. Get back. Get back to where you belong.
It sounds like he has hard. When he sets it, sounds like it's a double every time, but he comes out clean. It's weird. It sounds horrible. Nice pass though.
Did you just say boy as they hit that ball?
He's like, booyah!
Booyah! And they not even score. Nice.
Oh, nice. And Jason talking it up.
Get back.
Hands like a 2-year-old. It's so funny.
There are other people on the court besides your boyfriend. I think you can. It's fine. Get back. Get back. Get back to where you belong.
Come on, guys, let's go right now.
Yeah. Thanks.
Dang.
Trish saved my life on that one. Ooh, face shot.
That was a sweet swing. Way to pull the block, Kane! That's all middles do. That's all middles do.
Seconds left. Reinforcing.
Nice set. I love that Jason like runs through. He's like, I got it, guys.
This is a wing. You know you're
Set it alive. We got Brandon back.
Why do they keep serving him? Very good passer. Pulled out the tomahawk.
Get back.
Nice play. Check. I can't see this score.
Oh, he does have a score over there.
Let's go right now. Come on. I got middle.
I think that. Never mind.
Huh?
Sometimes I start to say things and then I stutter and then I stop saying them because then I feel stupid. Oh. Ooh,
Really fast swinging.
camera angle's not wide enough. I can't see him spike and get the play, get the ball landing at the same time. It's be a really cool serve with Patrick here. Ooh, yeah.
It's out.
I didn't see it without. We don't
Can you see that set in the coach? He needs to start setting the first player rather than the second. combos. Very quick and fun.
Get back. This shirt says CIA. What if he works for the CIA? Get back. Get back. Alright, let's see this guy do a good serve.
Yeah, if I serve for this guy again, I'm very angry. The guy in the orange pants.
It's a nice little volleyball thing. Just to show you how I can't really catch the
Just so you
whole.
know, the way he hit that was supposed to go straight down and he completely missed it.
I feel like I'm watching the game on television.
He jumps mad high. Yeah, boy. That's a smart play. Halfway through the second set, I only just realized that he's a lefty. That was
He's a
fun.
lefty.
He was like lefty. No shit.
That kind of sucked. Penis. How about we just say penis and release talking about?
Did you guys have the movie Dennis the Menace?
Yeah.
That was in. That was in by like 2 feet.
Landed right
His
about
name's Dennis. That's why
there.
I'm zooming in on it. You're like right in that spot there.
Yeah, right in that spot.
Next time I'll get up and point to it.
Okay, you do that, Trish.
Oh, that was quick. And look where Danny is. He should be on the baseline.
Get back. Get back.
There you go, Kenny. Woo! Hit his ass again, Patrick. Yes. Very nice, you guys.
Ooh, ass shot. Oh, I missed it. Damn it.
I like can't take pictures. I'm retarded.
I'll switch ya.
Yeah,
There you go. And do that.
all over it. Whoops. I missed that point. I stopped it from recording. Are we cutting the whole thing or we stop starting?
The whole thing. Just this whole thing.
Ref's a good referee. that's a smart idea.
Come on, hey, couple more. Let's go. T.
Every time.
I made Danielle a cat. Dude, I full on like grabbed Danielle's boob and they like picked it up. And I was like, that's how you brought it.
At least she has boobs that she can pick up.
Having good boobs goes to waste if you don't know how to use them.
That's a nice pass. Tool.
And those
Used like a cheap whore.
What?
Don't worry.
I'm so freaking patient.
Oh, nice adjust. Good dig. Oh shit. No, he didn't even mean to do that.
Ew, there's sweat print on the wall.
Huh?
Grody.
He's a fucking sweaty guy. When he plays volleyball.
Oh, you're perfect.
Ew. Oh, penis. He's hitting really badly. Oh, that
They're twins.
sucks. Dennis or the other one?
Yeah, the other one. You want the man.
Set 2. Dang. Nice pass. That was pretty funny. He was all over you.
I was expecting the ball to be low. Stay safe.
What'd you do?
I'm still cute.
My arm hurts. That's funny. I look the same every time I poke my thumb out. And by thumb I mean tongue.
You are crazy. Put that back in my face.
You can. Yo, I want shoes like that for next year. How nice are their shoes? Look at Steve's shoes. How nice would they be for our team this year? Oh, Patrick, stop whatever. You're a little ass heavy then, Patrick. You're a little ass heavy. Nice pass.
Too
Danny's playing outside?
It's a next one. It's a next one.
Who's playing middle?
Go, guys. Here, go outside. I'll take it. Just wait for you to get on the outside.
Oh, way to put Danny on the...
Nice.
Someone's cheating on D. What's going on here? Pat's in the middle. You're just sitting right side. Man, he is quick. He's so...
Danny, pass first.
You look like a ballet dancer there.
Here we go. One pass, boys. Let's go. One pass. Let's go. Go try!
I'll tell your mother. Tell your mother on
They're serving short. Thanks, Jay.
you think?
That was funny. Penis on 3. Ready? Wait, penis on 3. Penis! Alright.
Oh, yeah. What's that? He's zooming in on Jason's ass.
No.
Yes.
Maybe. They cheer more than our girls team. I love it. Oh, look, he's got a little Jordan in his ass. Oh, take that shit. Oh, I missed it. That was so funny. Danny was standing on the sideline going. That's it. Didn't say anything. Just couple things. Why do they keep serving it that quick? I'm getting a little hungry now.
Hey, this school here is pretty good in cross country.
Yeah, I heard that, Roman.
Oh, they got a volleyball state championship.
Yeah. There. Oh, there. Patrick looks little
I think
standing
Kenny
there. Doesn't
hurt
he look
himself.
little?
Kenny hurt himself.
Kenny always hurts himself. That's a double thing. This fine piece of ass.
He hurt his fingers.
Yo, Kenny, just bend over a little more.
Looks like he has like a circle on his ass.
It's because he broke a nail. Aww. Look at the Kenny sad face.
He needs a hug.
Aw, thanks,
Let's
hug.
give him a proverbial hug.
Nice. You know what? I wonder. Well, what's this here?
Hey!
I'm gonna get Patrick's nose. Oh, someone's home there. Way to be in base.
Oh.
For the first time ever. Hey, way to be in base. Nice job. Easy.
Yes, yes!
I got it! So glad I'm actually watching.
What's the score? What's the score?
11 to whatever they are.
Are they up?
14 left.
They're up?
Yes! Come to me!
Nice pass, Danny. Great pass, Danny. Aww.
Hear it. Where's the speaker on, Nathan? Where's the speaker?
Oh no. Is that Eye of the Tiger? Yeah, keep it going here.
Oh, yeah.
I told you, they cheer more than we do. Oh, I know what they say now. They go ace, that's an ace. Clap, clap, ace.
I think this records. It's pretty fun.
Yeah, it is.
Should I play the whole song?
We'll enjoy it. There's no music in here, so we may as well spice it up a little bit. Oh, nice pass. Nice job, Jay. Oh, it smiles all around. That's cute. Lauren has his pants on back to front. Did you just see that?
What?
Lauren's got his pants on backwards. He just pulled his pants up and you can see the tag like right there.
It could just mean he folded the top down.
No, no, no. Look!
It was inside out.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Oh, we missed it. It's just... his pants are on it. I'm looking for that tag every time, man. He's having a wardrobe malfunction. Oh, that's entertaining. I wonder what else you can find to pick on. Oh, nice dig. Oh, that's his first, like, really bad. it like a basketball. Oh, that choking. Choke, 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 choke. The other team.
Are we up there?
Yeah. It should be. Oh, that's a lift and a half. Oh, he set that from his penis. Oh. Kenny just got used. What the? Oh, it's a little Nemo. Oh, Kenny. Kenny was landing on Jason. I miss Danny Jackson. Danny always does that.
Fish move.
What?
Or a whale. A whale's technically not a fish. But either way.
Your mama's a whale.
Oh, bitch. My mom's not a whale, she's just old. Do you see Kenny jump though?
That's so much nicer. Mom's not a whale, she's just old.
Well, she could be good looking. Just because I said she's old doesn't mean she's not good looking. Nice fucking pause.
Whales are good looking. Cute. Good animals. I'm so fucking pasty. I need a tan.
Good point.
Maybe you should come and lay out in the oval with me.
If I had a life, maybe I would.
Oh, I'm glad I came out to watch 3 sets of volleyball. Nice game, boys.
Yay! Slap it, slap it.
Chaps.
Slap it.
Chap, chap, chappy.
Penis on 3. Aw, damn. They didn't do it.
Oh, I was gonna say it. I was waiting for you. He's talking to the. It looked like he was talking to the thing.
Okay, let's watch it now.
King is drinking smart water. It's making him smarter.
He needs smart water.
Yeah.
Sweaty head.
Hold on.
Here, you want to see how sweaty you are?
Good evening, Jason Debilius at courtside with my colleague Ida Mathalier. We're in the first game. The score is tied 8-8. And our new blood, Evolution's offspring, is going against bad influence. Ball's dug, recovered, going outside. They're going to Greg. Greg hooks at line. Free ball. Ball's dug, setters out on the attack. Greg goes deep, covered. Going outside. Nice big windup. Whoa! Cross court goes their bomber. And now the score is 9 serving 8. Don't worry. Be patient, gentlemen. It'll work. This is a good jump server. He steps over the line again.
That's the first thing he looked at.
I know, because he did it. He played him last game. He did it. We got a little jumper coming. And the ball's recovered. And he goes over, and Steve hits it out. He's looking for a touch. He's not going to get one. 10-9 in favor of bad influence. We're in the middle of game one, and I think they're getting a little bit impatient because it's not working right away. Right?
Not really. They're actually really doing it, Steve, you know?
Because that other guy's not going to cut it to me. Greg's going to jump serve. Another good jump serve. Wow, what a beautiful basket. On one knee. She is now. And Zach bops one around the clock. Nice hit by the Prince of Volleyball, Zach.
Score still tied 11-11.
Zach's called the Prince of Volleyball because Elvis the King was his mentor. And there's the stuff. Abdel Zarardi. In case you don't know who he is, look at his back. He's got a big ass Abdel on the back of it. They're going outside. Line's wide open, but he takes it away. He jumps in and takes it away. Going back set. And there's a tip covered. Going outside. Another good set. Tip covered. Ooh, it might have been a net.
Blocked by
Oh!
one little problem. They don't want to play that defense.
Pretty good referee. I just met him tonight. His name is Lyle. He's from Wisconsin. Seems like a pretty down-to-earth fellow. There it is. And there's your side out by Wojciech. So
13-12.
float one in, baby. One in, then go for one. There it is.
Middle.
It was out, but it's played. Going outside. Wojciech gets blocked, but it's covered. They're going back. Abdel not ready. He rolls, gets blocked, comes outside. Wojciech, ready to bomb one? Oh! What a great shot. Going over the D, right? Like over everyone? Because I'm trying to keep the camera. I didn't know we went short alone. Zach jump floats another one. There it goes back. There's the hustle. They're giving him a free ball. On the attack. Whoa, there it goes. Bad influence is really doing themselves well. Here's the good news. The good news is
The game's still tied.
yeah, as bad as they've been playing, the game is tied. 13-13. Whoa! And Abdel takes it to the butcher shop. Chops one cross court. Wojciech, will he keep the first one in, or will he just go for the broke? There it is. Oh, it's going out. And Zach passes it. Wojciech keeps it in play. Oh boy, not a good pass for free ball, and tipped in!
Still 14-14.
The score remains tied. 14-14.
1 point.
Whoa! And Greg hits one down the hatch. Abdel Zarardi will serve, number 14. The man who put this team together. The man who helped put the original Evolution together. Oh, wow.
15 up.
And now it's 15 up. I don't like this game tied if it goes 20-20. Peter. Oh, wow. Oh, boy, the defense pays off. He's got a good jumper when he keeps his ass you know, behind the line. That's the fucking guy we need to watch out for.
17.
Score is 17, serving 15. Let's see if this guy can stay behind the line.
Yeah, he's safe. Not worried about him too much.
I'm worried about him. When he stays behind the line,
No,
he actually jump starts pretty good.
Huh? You were talking about the server or
The server.
hitter? Oh, okay. I like the hitter. He only hit one spot.
No, he hits line. Remember the first play of the game? Last game, he fucking drilled someone down the line. That was him. Remember the color game? That's not good. You lose 2 points, you get the ball back and you serve out. You guys understand my whole philosophy too about why we serving. We can out dig and out block anyone right now. There's a floater. And there's a net violation.
She dug that ball.
Guys, make sure you use the hitter out of the pipe. Don't forget that. There's a good serve by Greg. Whoa! And stuffed by Wojciech. Hoppa! Right. There it is. Say it again. Yeah. You get a good play and then he serves and then net.
19-18.
This is the inexperience coming through. It's a nice set. He held a little bit. Zach had to hold on to it. Whoa! And Wojciech finishes.
Nice return. 19 up.
Nice.
Score is tied at 19 up. Position 1. 7-1.
Oh, wow. Very, very smart. That ball was in there. I missed that on the camera shot. I got caught watching by my eye. Score is 20, serving 19. And there it is, 20 up. Very nice work, gentlemen.
Position 1.
The other team's deliberately not calling timeout to see if the young kids will choke
They're
it.
thinking they're going to serve the girl. She's the best
boy.
passer here.
Ball was on its way out. He tips, ball's covered. Goes outside, feeds the bomb shot. Oh!
Oh, just because she's a girl, they have to give her serving on the floor.
Serve number 2,
She's
right?
the best passer.
Who should they serve?
White.
Whoa!
He gotta watch his landing.
Hey, Void, don't serve that girl. She's their best passer, man. It doesn't matter if she's a girl. She's their best passer.
That's it.
That's the man you want to
That's the one
serve.
you want.
Oh,
That's the man you have to watch.
and that's the man you have to block.
It's either serve on
And he's
green.
front row. Why the fuck are you jumping with the setter? And you could be doubling up on that guy.
Vou só, madame. Nossa, vou.
Ball's dug. They're looking for 23. They go outside. Tipped. Dug. Going back outside. Greg waits. Look as the block gets stuck. 23-21. You guys got it. Take a breath. You got this. There it is. There it is. They go outside again. Greg stutter steps. They get the dig. There it is. 22-23. Very nice. Abdel Zarardi will serve. This is crunch time, and you guys are men.
Okay, no problem.
Serve.
Bye-bye.
Oh boy.
Like I told you, green and white.
Why did that guy stay on the ground?
Touch!
Oh.
Touch! Touch! Oh, you
boy.
didn't see that. That was a touch.
This is important.
You got it.
He made sure it stayed in too. Point game, you better believe it. And that's 4 hits. That's 4 hits. Both diggers touched it. No! That's right. Let him know who's back row, Greg.
Don't serve in the girl.
Let the back row know too.
Don't serve in the girl.
There you go. That's who you want to serve. That's who you want to serve. That
Always.
and that ties the game. Smart serve.
Don't serve in the
See,
girl.
she's hogging the court now.
She's the best faster, trust me.
No, he did the smart thing then. He made her move. You saw that?
Oh!
She hogged the middle. She hogged the middle. So that was good.
I do that a lot of times just to force somebody to serve on me.
This is their only opportunity they got to do it. Their best hitter's back row. He doesn't know who to serve because everyone on this team receives serve. Call it. Call your play. Call your play. Whoa. No? No? Come on. No double on that third hit, my man?
We lost the first. We lost the first. We can start recording.
And the final score of the first game,
26-24.
26-24. I knew if it was 2020. Now let's take a look at some of these bombshells. Oh man, these are the real volleyballers tonight, boy. Nice. We'll be back. First serve of the game. Good jump serve, but he served from outside the wide line on their right side of the court. He might jump serve. He changes his mind. He floats. There's a good, another bad pass. Whoa! And Zach hooks one. Got up, called out of bounds. And that makes it a quick 2-0. Can you imagine how bad this would have been without Steve? Abdel.
Back. Oh, nice save.
Go to your pipe. Look at Abdel with the perfect pass. Nobody! Oh, great!
Oh, God, come on, man. You got no one. I would have pounded that one so hard.
Right? Tell him, say it again.
I would have pounded that one so hard.
Ball's covered. Woo! And he sends it to the butcher shop.
Come on.
Nice call, ref.
Remember?
That's why you're the best, man.
Yeah, that's 2-3, no? That's 2-3, right?
Woo!
You're not supposed to be 3 up.
No. That was the first point they had after the side out.
No.
They were the first team to serve. They lost the side out. No, it's not 3 out. Trust me. I counted every point. That was their first side out.
Hold on. First time that they had, first point they had.
No, they served first because they didn't side out first. They served first.
No. But after they made it, remember when he had nobody here, they made that point. They just pulled the second one here that they call a carry, and the third one is an ace.
Peter, you're confusing me, man.
They just pulled a carry in the set.
That was their first point.
The first one is when he hit the ball with no blocker.
No, he entered into